Okay, so welcome back, and in this video we're going to start introducing more definitions and vocabulary about circles. Okay, so the first thing is a sector of a circle. The sector of a circle is like, for example, you could think of it as a pie wedge. Okay, it's a wedge of a circle. So in other words, it's the portion of the area of a circle cut off by two radii. Okay, so for example, you might think of a sector as this portion of the circle. Okay, arc. An arc is the portion of a circle cut off by a central angle. So the portion of the circle, the arc, so this is a sector of the circle, but the arc of a circle would be this right here in green. That would be the arc, right? So the arc is the portion of a circle cut off by a central angle. So we have a central angle, okay? So a central angle is made by two radii that comes from the center of the circle to points on the circle. And so the arc would be the piece of the circle in between the two radii that make the central angle. Okay, now theta is the Greek letter that's used normally to denote an angle. Okay, so we would denote this angle with theta. Okay, but we could use other symbols as well, but theta is normally used. And then the arc length. The arc length is the length of the arc, right? So here's the arc. So we found the arc. So arc length is the length of this arc, which means it's the portion of the circumference. So the circumference is the distance all the way around, and so the arc length here would be the portion of the total circumference of the circle that is cut off by the central angle. Okay, so there's the arc, and then there's the arc length, which is the measure of the arc. Okay? Okay, that's it. See you next time.